Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. There are moments in coffee where everything you thought you understood suddenly clicks into place. And for me, this was one of them. I'd brewed thousands of shots, repaired countless machines, dialed in grinders over and over again. And yet, there was one moment when a single cup completely reframed how I understood flavor. This video is about the exact moment I realized single origin coffee was built different, not because of marketing or trends, but because the mechanics of extraction, water chemistry, and machine behavior suddenly made sense in a way they never had before. Before the realization, why everything tasted fine but never special. Before this moment, my coffee was good, but predictable. Blends tasted balanced, forgiving, and consistent, but they rarely surprised me. From a technician's point of view, blends are designed to hide variables. Small temperature swings, grinder inconsistency, minor pressure issues. They're engineered to work even when the machine isn't perfect. That's great for cafe and reliability, but it also masks what's really happening during extraction. Flavor felt controlled but limited. Nothing was wrong, yet nothing stood out either. The shot that changed everything. The moment happened with a properly dialed single-origin espresso on a stable machine. Same grinder, same water, same workflow, but the cup behaved differently. Acidity wasn't sharp, it was structured. Sweetness wasn't heavy, it was layered. The finish lingered instead of collapsing. What hit me immediately was that the coffee was exposing the machine, not hiding it. Small changes in temperature, pressure, or grind suddenly mattered in a way they never did with blends. That's when it clicked. Single origin coffee isn't just different in taste, it's different in how it responds to extraction. Why single origin coffee is mechanically unforgiving. Single origin coffee is built around clarity. It's designed to highlight origin-specific acids, sugars, and aromatics rather than smoothing them out. That means inconsistencies in grind alignment, flow rate, or brew temperature are amplified, not hidden. From a BrewFix perspective, this is where machines either shine or get exposed. A slightly scaled boiler, drifting pressure valve, or misaligned grinder suddenly becomes obvious in the cup. Single origin coffee doesn't forgive sloppy mechanics. It demands precision. What it revealed about machines and grinders. That moment taught me that great coffee isn't just about beans. It's about whether your equipment can keep up. With single origin coffee, grinder consistency becomes critical. Burr alignment, particle distribution, and static control all matter more. On the machine side, temperature stability and flow control suddenly dictate flavor clarity. What tasted fine before now tasted flat or harsh if anything was off. The coffee wasn't worse. The system was being tested harder. Why baristas learn faster with single origin coffee. Single origin coffee accelerates learning. It gives immediate feedback. Change grind size slightly and the flavor shifts. Adjust temperature by a degree, and the acidity responds. This is why many professional baristas train with single origin espresso. It teaches cause and effect faster than blends ever will. From a technician's view, it's also the fastest way to diagnose problems. If single origin tastes muddy or unstable, the issue is almost always mechanical or water-related. The trade-off. Precision versus comfort. Blends are comfortable. They're stable, forgiving, and easy to reproduce. Single origin coffee trades that comfort for honesty. It tells you exactly how well your grinder is aligned, how stable your boiler is, and whether your maintenance routine is actually working. Once you experience that transparency, it's hard to go back. You stop chasing recipes and start fixing systems. The moment I realized single origin coffee was built different wasn't about hype, it was about understanding. It showed me how machines, grinders, water, and technique all interact under pressure. At BrewFix, I document real repairs and real diagnostics so coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians can understand what their coffee is actually telling them. If you want coffee that teaches you instead of hiding problems and machines that perform the way they should, this is where you learn how to make that happen.